Did you know that a single sneeze can travel at speeds of up to 100 miles per hour? That's faster than many cars on the highway. When you sneeze, your body is forcefully expelling air and mucus to clear out irritants from your nose. But here's something even more surprising. During a sneeze, tiny droplets can be released into the air that carry germs, which is why covering your mouth is so important. A sneeze can send out about 30,000 droplets, spreading as far as 6 feet away. So next time you feel a tickle in your nose and get ready to let it out, remember, you're unleashing a mini tornado of germs. But don't worry, sneezing also helps keep our respiratory system clean and healthy. Just remember those etiquette rules. After all, we want everyone around us to stay healthy.